Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in our diesel gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 3-in-1 Combo Series gauge package for the 99 to 02 Ford Super Duty with a Powerstroke. In this particular package, you're going to get a 60mm 3-in-1 combo gauge that features a 60 PSI analog boost reading, a digital EGT reading, and a digital temperature reading, also featuring a black face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 60mm gauge with a color change button on the front, an analog 60 PSI boost reading, and a digital EGT and digital temperature reading. Also included in the package, full color installation instructions, a 3-foot exhaust temperature probe with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature probe harness with a waterproof connector, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 9-foot temperature sensor harness with bullet style connectors, a 3-foot power harness, a boost pressure sensor with a red indicator band, a temperature sensor with bullet style connectors, a map line T-fitting adapter with hose clamps, a mounting bracket and hardware, double-sided tape for the gauge mounting cup, a factory color match 60mm single pillar gauge pod, a gauge mounting cup, and a gauge visor for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.